We've been in quarantine over a year now, and as difficult as these times are, it's pretty cool how people have been able to take things they typically like doing outside and find ways to do them at home. For a lot of people, home brewing in particular has been both a form of relaxation and a thoughtful, even meticulous hobby. Some might even call it a life skill. Like many things, it requires time, practice, and investing in the right tools. So if you're new to home brewing and you're not sure what kind of equipment to start with, we're here to help you out. Home brewing can be a relaxing morning ritual. So if you like to savor each step of the process, try a dripper. It works a lot like an electric coffee machine, but with more room to customize your method. Start by putting your filter and coffee grounds into the dripper, then pour a little hot water over the top so the pre-infusion process can begin. After about 30 seconds, you can slowly pour over the rest of the water, moving your hand in circular motions as you go. This method ensures that all grounds are evenly saturated. The slow trickle promises more flavor out of every drop of water, compared to what you would get out of a plain old drip coffee machine. Plus, it's a lot of fun to do.